In Lisp, there is a common naming convention. Functions that return true or false often end with the letter P. The P stands for predicate. It's not mandatory, but it makes your code easier to read. Now, let's look at something interesting: mutual recursion. A recursive function usually calls itself. But sometimes, two functions can call each other. This is called mutual recursion. For example, how do we check if a number is even? One way is to say, a number is even if one less than it is odd. And how do we check if a number is odd? A number is odd if one less than it is even, so even and odd depend on each other. In Lisp, we can express this neatly using labels, which lets us define local helper functions. Here, evenp1 calls op1, and op1 calls evenp1. They keep reducing the number by 1 until they reach 0, where the result is obvious. This is a simple but elegant example of mutual recursion.